Meet Lauren, a determined nursing student who sailed through lectures, clinical rotations, and late-night study sessions, only to hit a wall at the NCLEX. Lauren sat through exam after exam, watching that dreaded fail result appear on her screen, not once, not twice, but 4 times. Each failure chipped away at her confidence, left her exhausted and questioning whether she truly belonged in nursing. Friends encouraged her to keep trying, but she felt alone, stuck in a cycle of anxiety and defeat. Refusing to give up, Lauren discovered Pathways Medical Training Center. She signed up for their review program, which combined live virtual classes, on-demand strategy workshops, and a personalized study calendar. Day by day, she built a structured routine, mastering question-answer techniques, reinforcing high-yield content, and taking full-length simulated exams under timed conditions. With each module, her confidence grew until exam day arrived, and she walked into the testing center, calm, prepared, and ready to succeed. This time, the result read, Pass. If you've faced NCLEX setbacks like Lauren, you're not alone, and you don't have to go it alone. Visit pathwaysnclex.com or call 832-806-8483 to join our program and pass your NCLEX board exams with ease and no tears. Get the tools, the strategy, and the support you need to turn your struggle into your success. Comment, like, and subscribe for more NCLEX prep tips.